this video, we will be learning on knapsack with integer weights. The main concept of knapsack problem is a problem in combinatorial optimization, where, given a set of items, each with a weight and a value, determine the number of each item to include in a collection, so that the total weight is less than or equal to a given limit and the total value is as large as possible. In this tutorial, we will learn about knapsack with integer weight, in which we have weight as w alpha greater than or equal to 0 and values as c the alpha greater than or equal to 0 of the n terms. Now, after having these items with their respective weights and values, we will put these items into knapsack, then we will compare their weight with the weight limit of knapsack, and we will try to find the maximum sum of values. For that, let's start solving using Bluecat in Google Colab. Firstly, we need to install Bluecat in Google Colab by typing this code and run it. Bluecat is successfully installed. Then import libraries for Bluecat like NumPy and Bluecat optimization as shown here. Now we prepare some functions. Under the class named item, we have defined init function, which is executed when the class is being initiated, and assign the values for a variable number, weight and cost. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of a class and is used to access variables that belong to that class. These functions are to return the values according to their weight and cost. We have another function getCubo, which store the list of selected items. For that selection, we have conditions and looping statement, which will check the condition of the given cases to select the items. It will perform any of the tasks, that is, if and else statements, within the given loop control and execute it based on the conditions whether each item will fulfill or not, and after that it will return the cubo. This showAnswer function is going to print the q, which holds the values of cubo. If the items have value greater than 0, then it will execute this statement and print out as selected. The last part of the function is to check whether the cubo is optimum solution or not. For the cubo is compared with the optimum answer, and if it is equal, then it is optimum solution, or else not optimum solution. It will check in the range of 100 in the iterative loop from 1. Let's try with this example. We have 10 items with their respective weights and cost. As we can see here, maximum weight, that is w limit, is giving as 10. Let's check it out whether the given set of items in knapsack has an optimum solution or not. See here, this is how each item are tested to see whether it is the optimum solution or not. Each item is tested from 1 to 100. Finally, solution found is not optimum solution.